Hello viewers, long time no see on my channel. This time I'm going to restore, or rather rebuild, this Crossley 1030. This mother sister of the 1040 over there. I thought I'd share this one with you as well. Just took both flywheels out. On this side I had to use the sliding hammer to pull the key out, but other than that it was plain and simple. Wanted to share why I'd like to rebuild my engines. If you may remember, on the rebuild of the 1040 I learned a lot on the Crossleys. This piece here, it's a brass guide for the oil. I don't know if you can see, but it's all gummed up and oil won't flow properly, or rather won't flow for the mains. Also, this disc, it's loose, and that can cause very bad issues if it gets caught up to something. The engine is rather very stiff. It could be the mains gummed up as well. Someone before me tried to restore this engine, but did not manage, and I bought it off him. It is loose, as you can see. I will take everything apart. Good thing is that the magneto sparks. But all in all, looks all complete and solid. The exhaust flange is missing, and the exhaust and the drain flange as well. If maybe someone happened to have that small round exhaust of these Crossleys, please contact me, because I will be interested to buy one. Catch you with the next update. Thanks for watching.